2013
giikaro-ini kia mbunge wa keri na kamiti thuranire ya hamwe yatamania riboti iria ina mogaruruku ma watho maria marendekithio.
We now read a second time.
Riboti ino igithaganirio mogaruruku manini kuumana na maria marendekithio ni kiama kia Jubilee. Amwe na maria matafaneirio mogaruruku hari riboti iria yatamanio mbunge hari njira cia gutuma maumirira ma githurano. Kamiti ino riu ikiendekithia maabitha IEBC gutwara maumirira macio kiumbe hamwe na gutuma maumirira macio na njira cia ukinyanĩria wa kiriu.
Someone somewhere didn't sign the form. The form was not stamped. Whose problem is that? Can we make it now that the IEBC, when they are printing their ballot papers, let them print the ballot papers and make also rubber stamps for the all Kenyans who are eligible to vote?
IEBC even went further and said instead of using manual transmission, they said we need to use physical delivery.
Riboti ino ni igigitianiria riendekithia ria titonginyagia muikiririgiti wa IEBC akorwo ari wakiri ta uria kiama kia Jubilee kireendekithia. Kuringana na kamiti ino thuranire gicunji kiu riu gitigucenjio ta uria kiri kahinda-ini gaka muikiririgiti wa IEBC riu akiendekithia ukorwo akinyaniirie gikiro kia mucirithania wa igoti ria Supreme.
If anybody thought that by sticking Ezra Chiroba or by taking Wafula Chebukati to the streets of Nairobi we will create room for them to create a constitutional crisis, then we want to tell them they are very wrong and that one is coming to an end this afternoon.
Ona riendekithia ria muigana wa makamishna IEBC riboti ino ikinyaniria nduthu ya makamishna IEBC aria mari ofisini makorwo no magikorwo na uhoti wa ukinyaniria matua ma kamiti ino. No makamishna IEBC matingikorwo mari thi wa atatu.
Democracy is good, it's a rule for the majority, but the majority must also take cognizance of the views of the minority. I wish to oppose that bill.
We are trying to clean up the statute.
No Ciikaro icio cikigomerwo ni ambunge anasa magititia mihango yothe ya mogaruruku macio. Ambunge aya na aria maugite ni mugaru wa watho makigomera Ciikaro icio cia miaraho.
For you to constitute a committee of parliament, both sides of the house must be members of that committee.
And we speak with good authority. And if you have any doubt, ask Otiende Amolo seated next to me, that this is an illegal process.
Mwako wa kiama kia Jubilee ni kuhitukia mogaruruku ma watho gukinyiria muthia wa kiumia giki. Kiama giki gia President Uhuru Kenyatta gikiuga mogaruruku maya marongoreirie guthinga mahoro maria macungiririe guteanĩrio kwa ũhotani wa President Uhuru Kenyatta tariki 8 wa kanana. Ni mawatho maria kiama giki ni gikirauga makahuthika hindi ya githurano gia gucokerwo tariki 26 mweri uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuuma giikaro kia mbunge ritwa rĩakwa na macharia wa Gacuru.